What's up, y'all? It's Tiara. Welcome back to my channel, period. So today, as you can see by the title, I will be doing these jumbo knotless braids, okay, on myself. I feel like they turned out so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I did that and everything. I feel like it's a little chaotic just because I am under the weather. I don't feel good at all, and in this video I was so tired, but you still get the gist. Like, I showed y'all everything. I just hope that y'all enjoy this video anyways, and that you like it, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no one for me, it's only you.
Alright, let me part my hair. Y'all, I think I'm getting a little bit sick. I'm a little sickly. Not too much, but a little bit. So my throat is real sore, but it's not stopping me today. It's not stopping me. So I'm about to do my hair. As you can see, I washed it and blow dried it today, so it's fresh and clean and ready for something to be done to it. I have this tiny mirror in front of me, so if it looks like I'm squinting or I can't see, it's because I can't. Yeah, I'm not going to be talking a lot during this video because, like I said, my throat hurts. But voiceover Tiara will definitely give y'all a proper intro and all that jazz. I wish I could wear my headphones and do this. I just always want to wear my headphones now. It's funny because it's like, girl, like, you can't wear your headphones 24/7. And yes, y'all should already know by now, I like for my shit to be damn near perfect, so I might be here all night trying to part this shit. Dang, I wish I could see though. Alright, here we go. This is so tricky. I can see a little bit now. Is that the middle of my neck? Like, I'm actually not sure.
Yeah.
I'm trying to pre-part it. I hear that makes it easier on you in the long run. So I'm just gonna do that and then I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so I have now parted off not all of the sections, but most of the sections of my hair, and I'm having a little trouble in this area, but I'm gonna just go with it. I don't feel like redoing it. Like, I've been sitting here for a minute now trying to get everything, you know, and I did get lazy towards the end anyways, so they're not perfect, but I'm not tripping. So I'm gonna start off with the back. Kind of just want to see how they're gonna look. I've only done knotless braids on other people and never this big.
Yeah.
So I just did my first one. It's a little iffy. Well, it's cute actually, but I don't know. I feel like it could be a little bit better. Maybe start off the braid thicker so it's not so skinny. You know what I mean? But this is the thickness that I wanted. I'm gonna try to make the second one a little bit better. I'm finally at the top of my head now. I'm so ready to be done at this point. It's currently 1:30 and I started this project at about 8 o'clock. Yeah, so I'm pretty tired at this point. It's been a very long day in general, but I am going to finish. It's not perfect. I have most definitely stopped trying to make it perfect. If anything, I'll just fix it tomorrow because yeah, this is where I'm at. Being that I have caught a cold of some sort, I can't even talk for real. I knew that I probably should rest, you know, instead of doing my hair, but you see which one I picked. But I think it's gonna be worth it. I don't feel as though they're the most consistent, but that's literally only because I can't see for real and I'm having to braid behind. Braiding your own hair is a lot different than braiding somebody else's hair. I missed a strand. But yeah, I just thought I'd show y'all the top portion. I just thought I'd show y'all me doing, dang. Am I losing my voice? Or it's just late? I thought that I would show y'all me doing the top of my head. I've only used 2 packs of hair so far. I just been watching this show. I think it's called Deep Water or Underwater or something like that. It's pretty interesting so far. Let me see. Oh, I just made that up. It's called Keep Breathing.
Wait, so it's red? Why? I think it's red. It's red.
Okay. I think it's kind of cute. I really wanted to do the jumbo braids because I feel like it would wouldn't take as long, which it definitely didn't. I don't think it took as long as it would if I did a lot smaller braids. I'm gonna see tomorrow after I do my makeup and everything how I feel about it, because right now they just look like my mom said, really long dookie braids. So I don't know, but I'm gonna wrap it and stuff tonight, do my edges, and then we're gonna revisit this tomorrow. Yeah, because I really just, tonight is not my night. I actually did good though. Like, I'm surprised I got all the way through my whole head before quitting. I really didn't think I would be able to make it through. Okay, so it is now 2 o'clock. Look at my eyes. Oh my gosh. I'm not dipping the ends or anything extra like that tonight. So that's about it. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Alright y'all, so it's the next day. This mask on. I've been having to wear a mask around the house so I don't get anybody sick. I did take a at-home COVID test, and I don't know how to read those things, but I'm pretty sure I do have it. Honestly, I think I got it from my boyfriend, and he just came from Rolling Loud, so yeah. But yeah, so I did redo a few braids. I didn't redo all of them. This one could be redone, but I don't feel like it. Okay, I was gonna put the red like I said, but I don't feel like doing that either. So I'm about to do my edges though and dip my ends. First I'm gonna put this mousse on before my camera dies.
Like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but
Okay, so I just dipped the ends. They're pretty long. They're like waist length. I actually like them a lot better now that I put that mousse and dipped them. So now I'm about to do my edges. Alright, y'all. I feel like literal shit, but I look cute. Period. So this is the finished look. Super cute. I actually really like it, especially after I did like a little something to my face. I didn't do no full beat or nothing because, like I said, not feeling it today. Yeah, y'all, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I did a really good job, especially for this being my first time doing braids this big and on myself. Like, I think I did a really good job. And yeah, follow me on Instagram because I will be posting pictures soon. I'm about to go rest the rest of the day because I just can't. Like, this is too much. This is too much. I'm feeling, okay, at first it was like just like a slight little, you know what I mean, like a like something in my throat, you know. But today it's accompanied with a headache. I'm feeling a little bit of soreness or weakness in my body, you know, flu-like symptoms, you know. It's nothing crazy because I would not be on camera and did whatever to my face if I was feeling like the worst, but it's still not fun. Like, I hate being sick. I really I really hate being sick, but it's all good. I should be better hopefully tomorrow. Of course I'm gonna stay masked up because yeah, I've been slacking. But yeah, y'all just pray for me. Just pray for us, me and my boyfriend, because we're really going through it right now. All right, I look real orange like, but I hope y'all can still get the full picture. This is what they looking like. Okay, pretty long or whatever. I don't know if y'all can see the parts, but I feel like I did that. So yeah, this is basically the look. Yeah. I can't even talk. Do y'all hear that? I sound hoarse and I don't even be screaming. What's going on? Help! Please help me.